Unit 4, Our Universe, Chapter 11, Air, Water and Weather, Learning Objectives. 1. Properties of air. 2. Composition of air. 3. Importance of clean and fresh air. 4. Properties of water. 5. Importance of water. 6. Weather and seasons. Let me answer. What are the types of weather? What do you mean by weather? Air, most essential for survival of living things, used to inflate tires and balloons. Water, 2/3 part of the earth, essential for life and other uses. Weather, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy. Seasons, summer, rainy, winter. Air, we are surrounded by air all around us. We cannot see it, but we feel it when it moves or blows as breeze. Air blows in all directions and takes the shape of the container it fills. When we blow air into a balloon, the balloon gets filled with air. When air is hot, it becomes light and rises up. When we fill a balloon with hot air, the balloon rises up. When air moves fast, it is closed well. Moving air does a lot of work. Fast moving air. Wind. Wind helps sailboats to move. These boats have a mast to hold the sails. When the wind blows on the sails, the boat moves. When we fly kites, we see them move higher and higher due to the force of the wind. Balloons are also propelled by the wind. Wind rotates a windmill. Wind helps our clothes dry faster. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of various invisible gases. The major gases are oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. It also contains dust particles. We can see these particles in a strong beam of light in a dark room. Air also contains water vapors. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe in air, absorb oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Fire will not burn in the absence of air. Fuels need oxygen to burn. We need clean and fresh air. Harmful gases and dust particles pollute our air. Factories emit smoke. Motor vehicles burn fuels like petrol or diesel and emit harmful gases. This causes pollution of the air. Pollution makes our environment unsafe to live in. When air becomes too dirty, it makes us sick with illness like cough, asthma, irritation in eyes and lung diseases. Pollution harms the plant as well animals. Water. Our earth is called the blue planet as over 2/3 of its surface is covered with water. Water takes the shape in various forms on the earth as cloud in the sky, waves in the sea and as snow on top of mountains. Water is continuously changing its shape from one form to another. This is called water cycle. Water has many properties. Water flows in its liquid form. Water has no shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container it fills. Water evaporates on heating. It takes the form of steam. 3 forms of water. Water, ice and water vapors are the 3 forms of water. When water is liquid, we drink it, wash it with air, swim in it. When water freezes into ice or snow, it is solid. When water is warmed, it becomes gas. The rain cycle. The sun warms our earth. The heat changes water from rivers, lakes and seas into water vapors. Warm air is lighter than cold air. It moves upward towards the sky. Air contains water vapor, which we cannot see. When warm air meets the cold air, the water vapor turns into tiny drops of water. This is condensation. When many such little drops come together, they form a cloud. When a cloud gets full, water drops fall back to the earth as rain. This process is called the rain cycle. We need clean and fresh water. Rain is the major source of fresh water. Lakes, rivers, ponds and groundwater are the sources of fresh water. Water is collected at these sources and purified. After the purification, it is stored in big tanks. From these tanks, water reaches our homes through long pipes. Groundwater exists below the land. We dig well and use pumps to draw groundwater. Digging more wells will provide more water. Water is precious. We must drink only clean water. Use of contaminated water make us sick. Weather. Weather is the state of the air surrounding us at a particular place or time. The weather keeps changing almost every day. It refers to the sun, the wind, the cloud, and the rain. When we talk about weather differs from place to place, extreme hot weather can be seen at places near the equator. Sunny days. Sunny days are warm and bright. There will be no cloud in the sky. When people go out, they use the shade of a tree or an umbrella to avoid the heat of the sun. Cloudy days. On cloudy days, the clouds block the sunshine. Clouds also show signs of a storm with heavy rain and strong winds. Dark clouds produce thunder and lightning. Windy days. A strong wind brings a windy day. A strong wind with lightning, thunder, and heavy rain brings thunderstorm. A very heavy storm makes a cyclone. A cyclone is very violent and trees get uprooted and houses break down. It causes a lot of damage. Rainy days. During these days, the weather becomes hot and air contains humidity. We use umbrellas and raincoats when it rains. Rainwater, if collected in puddles, breed mosquito and spreads diseases. Seasons. When any one type of weather pattern continues for many days, we call it a season. There are three main seasons in our country. They are summer, rainy season, and winter. Summer season. Summer season is a hot season. During this season, the sun shines very brightly. Hot, dry air blows throughout the day. We sweat a lot. We feel very thirsty. Rainy season. Monsoon season brings a lot of rain. There are dark clouds, strong winds, thunder and lightning. When the rain comes, the river and wells get filled up. The plants grow green. Sometimes excess rain brings flood. Winter season. In the winter season, the days are short and the nights are longer. The mornings are cold and misty. Cold winds blow throughout the day. People wear sweaters, scarves, socks, and gloves to cover themselves fully. Spring and autumn are the two short seasons in our country that fall in between the main season. Facts to know. Thing burns in the presence of oxygen. Rainwater is the purest form of water. The average condition of the weather over many years is called climate of a region. Let's recall. 1. We are surrounded by air. 2. Air is a mixture of many invisible gases. 3. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 4. Water has no shape of its own. 5. Weather may be sunny, windy, or cloudy. 6. When any weather condition continues for many days, it is called season. Word power. Air, mixture of many gases. Breeze, cool wind. Condensation. When warm air meets the cold air, the water vapors turn into tiny drops of water. Emit, to throw out. Monsoon, a rainy season. Rain cycle, the process of evaporation, cloud formation and raining. Thunder, the sound after the flash of lightning. Water cycle, process of water in the form of liquid, gas and solid ice. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. How do we get steam from water? B. Write one quality of rainy season. C. What are the three forms of water? D. Which water can make us sick? 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable word. A. Water has three forms: solid, liquid and dash. B. We feel air when it moves or dash. C. Air also contains dust particles and dash. D. Dash is the major source of fresh water. E. A strong storm is called dash. F. Burning seeds dash. 3. Answer the following questions. A. Name the three types of works that moving air can do. B. What is rain cycle? C. Which are the different types of weather? 4. Tick the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Smoke and dust pollute the air. B. Oxygen is not essential for burning. C. We do not wear woolen clothes in winter. D. We wear cotton clothes in summer. E. Liquid, gas and solid are not the form of water. 5. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. A. Which of these help in burning? 1. Air. 2. Water. 3. Dust. B. When we freeze water, it changes to dash. 1. Water vapors. 2. Steam. 3. Ice. C. Smoke and dust make the air dash. 1. Fresh. 2. Polluted. 3. Clear. 4. None of these. D. We sweat a lot in dash. 1. Summer, 2. Monsoon, 3. Winter, 4. Spring. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. Warm and bright days. B. The gas we breathe in. C. The gas we breathe out. D. The short season after winter. 7. Match the columns. Column A, column B. A. Breeze. B. Condensation. C. Air. D. Cyclone. E. Water cycle. 1. Forms of water in the form of liquid, gas and solid. 2. Mixture of gases. 3. A strong wind with lightning, thunder and rain. 4. Turning of vapors into drops of water. 5. Cold wind. Activity time. Take a transparent glass and push a tissue paper to the bottom of the glass. Turn the glass upside down carefully into a large bowl of water. Lift the glass out of the water. What happens? The tissue paper is dry, as there was air in the glass which kept the water away from coming into contact with the tissue paper. Now let out the air by tilting the glass. The water reaches to the tissue paper and makes it wet. Hot. 1. When you keep an ice cube in your fist, after some time it melts. Why? 2. Cloudy days are not very hot, but cloudy nights are warmer. Why? Project time. 1. Prove how air and water are essential for human beings, animals and plants. 2. How weather and seasons affect our life.